Hey everyone, Carolina Venom here. I want to take a few minutes and do a review on this Pocket Weather Radio. I do not know much about it. I'm not even sure of the name brand of this weather radio because even on the package it didn't even tell. It says emergency zone. That could be the name of it. I really don't know for sure. But this is a low-end weather radio, but it does do pretty well for the price and for what it is. And I really like carrying it around. And it's very small, and it's easy to put in your pocket or hook to your belt loop. But we'll go ahead and get into this little review here. Of course, up here you have your channel selector or your frequency 1 through 7. Over here is your channel selector to change the channels to your area. You have your standby and alert lights over here, and it does have an alert mode over here. You can turn on alert and it will alert you in a very loud annoying sound if there is a warning or a watch in your area, and you can cut it just to weather band. In the back, like I said, you do have a place here to hook it to your belt loop, and it does take 3 AAA batteries, and it does seem to last, a pretty good long time on 3 AAAs, on alkaline batteries. Of course, up here is your volume button and your on and off. Your antenna, it does go out a pretty good little ways. I will go ahead and pull it out here, that way I can kind of give you a demonstration of how it sounds and everything. So we'll go ahead and power it on for a second.
It is at 8:38 p.m. The current time is 1:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station.
So it does sound pretty good. It is pretty clear and everything. Of course, it's not as good as my desktop Midland by any means, but for a carry-along, you can put in your pocket and kind of throw around a little bit. It's not bad. It's not made the best in the world. As you hear, it has some creaks in it, stuff like that, but it is pretty reliable, and I've not had any issues with it. The only issue that I have had with this is sometimes going back and forth from weather band to alert. It don't want to function just right, but most time it does do okay. But like I said, it does pick up reception pretty well. It is not quite as good as some, but it does okay.
Highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday and Tuesday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows around 70.
Of course, you can change your channel.
Summary for yesterday, July 12th, 2014. Yesterday's high temperature was 91 degrees. This high was 3 degrees above. Highs in the lower 80s.
Like I said, over here, when you click on the alert, it does sometimes give a little bit of trouble and does not want to work just right, but other than that, it does work pretty well. Okay, right now it's on. Right now it's on standby and everything, but like I said, it does work pretty well other than a few little things. Like I said, it is pretty cheap, and it's not, of course, the most top-notch weather radio there is. Then again, it just may be mine causing that issue with this little button over here for the weather band. But for a small weather radio to carry around for those moments when you never know when severe weather may strike, it is nice. And also, I did message the owner of these weather radios on eBay, and I do have permission from him to give out the item ID number on eBay if anybody is interested in buying one of these weather radios. They are pretty hard to find. Like I said, I've not really seen many of them. These are brand spanking new. They are they are sealed in the box, and or at least mine was. And these are $15.99 a piece. There is 5 available at this moment, and there it is free shipping in the United States. And so, of course, price may change. I don't know. It's up to the seller. But as of right now, it is $15.99 and free shipping. But I will go ahead right now and give the item number in case you are interested. Just go to eBay.com, and in the search bar you can type in 301 116 024 502. And I'll also put that number in the description below, so if that way, if you would rather just look at it or copy it, then you can go on there and look at it for yourself. But all in all, for the price, it is decent. Of course, it's not as good as some of the higher end models like Midland and stuff like that, but it is decent for the price, and they're not very easy to find. So anyway, hope this helps a little bit. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to ask me. Subscribe to my channel. I sure would appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and talk at you later.